This is the DJI Mini 3 Pro. It's an amazing drone. It does so many different things, and you're probably wondering, do I really need one? So in this video, I'm gonna give you guys 5 reasons why you need a DJI Mini 3 Pro in 2022. Reason number 1 is vertical video. This is one of the only drones that you could buy right now that not only shoots horizontal video, but shoots vertical. It's perfect, especially in the day and age where a lot of people are creating vertical videos. And the best part of it is DJI has recently released an update where features like quick shots, master shots, even focus track work in vertical mode now, which is sick. Reason number 2 is active track, which means you can literally track yourself, you could track your dog, you could track your car, you could track virtually anything that moves. It's actually pretty sick. Just make sure you don't make it fly sideways with obstacles in the way, because as of right now, I'm doing it in the middle of some trees, and it might not actually work. But as you can see, I walk towards the drone. Farewell, my friend. Not even touching the controller. Controller's right here. It's honestly one of the coolest features ever. Definitely want to try it with a car though, because I'm sure doing it with a car would be sick. And reason number 3 is the camera. This camera is amazing. It shoots 4K at 60, it does HDR video up to 4K at 30 frames a second. It has a 48 megapixel sensor, which means photos will look amazing when you take them in that quality. The lens itself is an f1.7 aperture, which means it performs pretty good in low light, and it has so many other features that are just amazing. And in fact, this whole clip, it's being recorded on the DJI Mini 3 Pro right now. Are you clumsy? Because I am sometimes. And if this is gonna be your first drone, you don't wanna be crashing this thing. And to help you with that, this actually has a tri-directional obstacle avoidance. Now that sounds like a huge, very technical term. Basically what that means in simple terms is this has sensors on the front, back, and bottom. So then when you're flying around, maybe you may not see the drone, which happens to me a lot. Don't tell the Civil Aviation Authority that or they'll arrest me. There's a very, very low chance you'll crash into something going forward, backwards, or downwards. Unfortunately, this doesn't have sensors on the sides or the top, so if you fly into a tree going up, you're kind of screwed, or even sideways. But it's still great that it has 3 sensors, which will decrease your chances of crashing. And reason number 5 is the size and weight of this drone. Like, this is literally in my pocket right now. Take it out, it weighs less than 250 grams, which means you won't get arrested for flying this pretty much anywhere without a license. All you need in the UK is an operator ID, which is literally just 10 pounds a year. It's no big deal. But this is super light, super inconspicuous. You can fit it in your pocket and no one will ever know you've got a drone on you. So there you have it. 5 reasons why you need the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Did I convince you? Let me know in the comment section below. That's about it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. Catch you guys in the next one.